So for my app design, I decided to use a program called Just in Mind. And when you first load into my app, this is the splash page that you will see. And on this, in the middle is our logo, and then it restates the mix. And once that is done loading, it takes you to the home page. To start out with the general layout of my application, at the top, you will see a header bar with where it says the mix. And then at the top right, you will see a little paper airplane icon. And when you press this, this then takes you to your direct messaging page where you can chat with any other user privately. And then coming down to the bottom, we see a black bar with a play button, a search icon, and the icon of a person. The play button takes you to the home page, and the search button takes you to our search page, and then the person of the icon person takes you to your own profile. Moving over to our search page, this is where users can search for different things such as artists, graphic designers, or engineers. And then since those are gonna kind of be very common things that people do search up on my platform, we have a quick search button to where you could tap any of the suggested searches just to make life a little bit more efficient. And then coming over to, this is what your own profile would look like. So you, the creator of that account, looking at your own profile. Starting at the top, we have a banner and a profile image, and this allows the users just to have some customization to their profile so that it is not as bland, and they can kind of just personalize it however they want. And then moving down, you will see their username. And then just to the right of that, they will have social media icons, which you can then press to take you to their other social media pages. Under that, you will see how many connections one has. And then they will also have a space to write a little bio about themselves if they would like. And this is so that it can give visitors to their profile just a little information about themselves. And then under the biography, these are two buttons that are unique to only your profile. And so that is going to be edit profile, where you can change things such as your profile picture, your biography, or connect your social media accounts. And then I also wanted to add an analytics page to where users can go and look at different information regarding their posts and how well they are doing. And this can be things such as likes or their reach, just to see what is seeming to work and what is not exactly working for them. And then moving on to someone else's profile, it looks very similar to how yours would look, but it does not have the edit profile and the analytics page, as you would not be able to edit someone else's profile or see their analytics as well. So starting at the top again, we have the same stuff, the profile picture, the banner, their name, and then the social media icons. And then one thing that is different for someone else's profile is that you will see a connect button. And then what this does is when, say, I were to press this connect button, it would send a connect request to IC Lucid. And then from there, he can either decide to accept or decline the connection request. This is to shy away from followers because I want the connections with each other to be more genuine rather than it to seem like fans. And then under that, you will see the recent post that they have posted as well. Coming on over to our last page, this is what the direct messaging page you will look like. At the top left, you have a back button, which would just take you back to the home page. And then to the right of that, there's a little pencil icon. And this is where you can start a new message with someone else on the platform. And then below that, you will see what it would look like as you are receiving messages and sending messages to different people. and you would see their profile picture, their name, and a little excerpt of what that message says.